breaking through the darkness, unleashing the blossom within. In the darkness of the soul, we may feel like a bud waiting to bloom, trapped within our own petals. Everything seems dim and silent. However, only by changing our mindset can we allow the inner blossom to unfold and, in turn, illuminate the entire world. Metaphorically, our inner self is likened to a blossom, and when darkness prevails, we feel confined within the bud. The only way to liberate ourselves is by changing our thinking, awakening the inner vitality. Just as sunlight breaks through the clouds, a positive mindset can penetrate the inner gloom, allowing the blossom to courageously unfold in the darkness. Don't let the inner blossom wither in the dark. Nourish the soil of the soul with positive thoughts, turning every shadow into an opportunity for the blossom to flourish. The inner garden of blossoms is not a luxury, it only requires us to sow the seeds of hope in the fields of our hearts to witness the magnificent bloom.